Hello friends, I'm Varun Vohra and welcome to my channel IT with Varun Vohra to master the fundamentals. Friends, as we are making progress on our ITGC journey, I got a question related to mitigating control or compensating control if there are deficiencies in change management testing. So I decided to cover it in a separate video today, as many of you will have this question, and it is important to understand this concept for any risk, security, compliance or audit assessment. I've already covered what to do once you identify issues in change management testing based on earlier viewer questions, so please watch those videos for better understanding. And that topic is different from the mitigating control for change management. So there's a slight nuance and you will understand those once you watch both the videos. So friends, let us first understand the term mitigating or compensating controls, which simply means to have other controls which can mitigate or reduce the risk. So as you always hear me say, it is all about risk, and we have to go back to the drawing board, talk about risk, evaluate it and see what control are out there which can mitigate the risk for change management in this specific scenario.